See you, Brad. You. What's up, everyone? Well, we're all packed up. We've been at this spot for 6 days truck camping, and it's been amazing. Last night we actually got a little bit of snow, and the day before that it was raining all day long. And so we just spent the day hanging out in the camper, watching movies on the projector, and it was awesome. But super stoked to have the truck running again today. We're heading into town. We're gonna go get lunch with Kevin, Nichols Auto Fab, our good buddy, and so stoked for that. That was just a call, you know, spur of the moment thing. I was like, hey, let's go grab lunch. So really fun to be in Prescott and hanging out in the same place. A little bit of a sense of a community here, which has been awesome. But today we're gonna run errands in town. I think we should be able to do some laundry at Nichols. I did see you got a washer dryer there, and grab a shower and just get some general errands done on the road. So let's get to it. What's up, Codes? Yeah, we're all packed in here, aren't we? I usually never stay in spots that long, but my buddies came up from the valley, some of my longtime high school buddies, Natter and Fife. Kevin came this weekend, and then, yeah, we were just hanging out with Will and Cassie, and it's just been a blast. Like, we've had a little Nomad community going on, so yeah, enjoying it a lot. Oh, look. He's got a four-wheel camper there. It looks like maybe that's Barry's four-wheel camper. All right, let's bring that laundry in. Come on, Coates. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Coates. We're also going to do our big old... Yeah, it's got to be one of the hardest things living on the road. Feeling like, you know, you have a really good time with people and then you leave and you're alone and you don't feel like that, you have that sense of community. But here at Nichols, I do. And feeling really grateful for that today. Because, yeah, people are very important to me and the relationships. And so I went and grabbed lunch with Kevin, and it's just awesome, man. And while we wait for our laundry, Kevin will hang out at the front desk. We'll do some editing right here. So much better than a laundromat. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Look at this. We're getting this video all set up here, which is just awesome to be able to do that while our laundry's going right behind us. Should show you too, we're working on a rendering today of the rig. And check this out. I'm working on Mobicon font, and then where we'll put some other logos on the truck. So yeah, gotta get a good final wrap going. Of course, gotta have the Mobicon, so let's see how we turn out. Of course, put Bison, Dana Spice are the big sponsors. We'll leave some room maybe here for more. So let's get to work here as our laundry goes. The other thing I need to do is take my little spacer I made and shave it down a little bit. The table's not pushing quite far enough down. So Kevin's got a belt sander in here. That'll be perfect. Get this thing shaved down a little bit. I don't know if you guys remember my video working on this at my brother's house in Colorado last year, but I still haven't got the table perfectly dialed in to where it doesn't push too far down and it doesn't stick too high up. But today we're gonna change that. A couple weeks ago, I made this spacer out of 3-inch PVC pipe at Home Depot, cut a little notch in it so it was a nice little shim, and we just got to dial in the exact height of it today. And now the bed's dialed. Check this thing out though. Notice these Genrite pads from our time in riding with Tony up Chocolate Thunder. Yeah, lots of sick rigs in here right now. Look at this. And a big old flatbed, old school. Nice Cummins with the 4-wheel camper. flatbed. Oh, shoot. She's got some damage up there, bud. You guys remember when I hit the carport with my bison camper? It's probably something similar going on there. I'm thankful mine was okay. I don't know what happened there, but and then we got a JK over there, a little 2-door, some king coilovers. Look at that.
Dang, this thing's even got curries.
Wow, that's neat. With the 2 spares coming out in the back there. Yeah, that's cool. Dude, she's got curries? Oh yeah. Jeep life. Jeep life. All right, we left Nichols. That was awesome. Now we're gonna get our little shower bag here, our last US bag, shower bag. We're gonna go shower at the YMCA Community Center. So let's go shower. Oh, that was nice. Look at that, all refreshed. So, we're about done with our chores today. Some mornings on the road, you wake up like, wait, where am I? What's up, everyone? We're here camped with Happy Trails in this beautiful Fuso that he just got here. Don't know how my hair looks. Haven't looked at it today yet. You guys tell me down in the comments. Well, it certainly could be better, but let's focus on Happy's new rig, this awesome Fuso. I am going to do a full rig walkthrough on this, but I couldn't help but take the opportunity to show you a first look at it and the first night that I camped with Happy and he stayed in the Fuso. So real quick, I want to show you this Fuso before we get out of here. This camper was actually built by Host Campers. It's an aluminum frame camper. I believe there's only 2 of these that they ever made, was what was Happy was saying. Yeah, pretty cool. It's got 2 slides, so it's super wide open in there and a lot of living space. But the cool thing is you can still put the slides out in a parking space. They don't come out that far, so they're not really going to affect setting up camp a whole lot. Coach just loves it, don't you, Coach? Yeah, we were hanging in there last night, and yeah, I just think it's so cool. So the question is, should Happy keep this, or should he keep the ambulance? His wheelbase is about the same as my truck, which is pretty crazy. Departure angle, of course, is a little bit longer. Approach angle is still really good. And the main thing with a rig like this is its height. It's over 11 feet tall. So it does have that going for it. And I've got about 8.5 feet on the old Gladiator here. So what do you think? Should we take our rigs out and do a side-by-side comparison of a massive home on wheels that's also very 4x4 capable versus my Gladiator, the smallest home on wheels, but the most capability? Well, I think we're going to have to do that in the future, so make sure you're subscribed. Don't miss it. Comment what you thought of this video. And I think I can be sure that we'll catch you on the next one. The only question is, are you down to mob?